just like Christmas Day again, boys and girls. Got 2 lots of orders delivered here. One of them, I do believe, has 4 handsets in, and the other one has 3. So I'm just going to quickly get through this as quick as I can. All the challenges that are present with this. So let's have a look. I'm particularly looking forward to one which I believe is unbelievably the first one that rocked up. It's a Sony Ericsson Z1010. Now this the person who sold it wasn't quite sure whether it worked because they didn't have a charger for it, but thankfully I have. So that's probably why the person didn't show that, because it is a bit scuffed. But I'm sure we can sort that out. That looks pretty good. That pretty good condition there. So yeah, Sony Ericsson Z1010. Pop that to the side. Have a look at the charger for something. Yeah, well packaged, good thing, good thing. This is a Sony CD5E. Now, I appreciate it's locked to orange and boo to that. However, for the purposes of carrying out a review, I'm not particularly bothered. Would have preferred it not to have been, but that looks like it's in fairly decent condition as well, I would say. See if I can get some light on the situation. There we are, that's better. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Next is this one. This one is a Motorola. Now remember the handset, the keypad rather not being that great. Well, battery looks in pretty good condition. Remember another Motorola where getting the battery out was quite an ordeal. I'll face that challenge in the near future. But yeah, that looks quite good. It is a CD95. My eyesight is going 9. Is that 30 or 50E? I can't quite see that. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Some more chargers. Lots of paper, lots of bubble wrap, all good to see. That's another charger. And here we have another handset. Just get rid of that. This is Sagem, or is it Sagem? Not quite sure. I've been reliably informed that this particular model doesn't work. However, there is a charge for it, which I'm sure will come in useful in the future. So that's them 4 sorted. Let's have a look at this. Try not to tape my fingers with this. That would be absolutely great. The charger's got 3 handsets here. Another well packaged work of art from that particular, I'll just hide my address. This is a Nokia 3410. That looked horribly yellow. That is not a good sign. I think that could go in the bin. Nokia 3410. Looking good. Check all that out later on. This one's kindly fallen. Now I wasn't sure which model this was. I'll have to investigate further. It's obviously a Samsung. Do I even know how to turn it on? Is it at the side here? Is that it? I don't even know if it's charged or whether I'm pressing the right button. However, that looks like it is in good condition. Not keen on the brown, but beggars can't be choosers. No, I don't think we're going to get any success with that. I'll try the charger with that a little bit later on. And we have the very last one. This is a Sagem MYV55, which has a charger. Says it's on Vodafone there. I'm good, thank you. How are you? And this looks like it's in pretty good condition as well. I think it switched itself off. The battery really is low. So yeah, that looks like it's in there good condition also. So overall, some good mobiles to go through. When I've done the reviews, I'll pop the information in the description down there at the bottom. Okay, well, thank you very much.